if you want to become a successful trader or investor, the first thing you need to do is have a right mindset. And that mindset can come from reading the right books, not random Telegram tips, not WhatsApp University, not scrolling chats without understanding. So, in this video, I'm going to share the top 3 books that changed my stock market journey. And trust me, if you need these books, your trading decisions will never be the same again. Why books matter? Before I reveal the books, let me ask you something. Would you trust a doctor who never studied medicine? Then why do you beginners enter the market without any knowledge? There are only 2 ways to learn in the stock market. That is, number one, from the market itself. That is, trading with losses, like paying a tuition fees, which I did, of course, in the hard way. And number two is from someone else's experience. That is the right choice. So the book number one is the psychology book, which is Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. The first book is not about strategy, not about indicators, it's about you. And this book teaches the mindset needed to trade smartly, not emotionally. You cannot control the market, only your reaction to it. The key lessons which you learn from this book is number one, you cannot control the market, only your reaction to it. And number two, losses are part of the process. And number three, probability is greater than prediction. And number four is remove fear, greed, and hesitation. Well, I would like to give an example here. Before reading this book, I used to exit early when profit came fast and hold losing trades hoping they would come back. After reading, I definitely understood the power of following a plan, not a feeling. If you're a beginner, start with this book first. It rewires your brain like nothing else. Book number two, Investing Foundation, is the concept, and the book name is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is called the Bible of investing, and for a reason. And what you learn in this book is value investing, margin of safety, intrinsic value, avoiding emotional decisions, and how smart investors think on long term. I'll give a simple example. Imagine if you want to buy a cycle worth 10,000 rupees. Would you buy it for 15,000? No, right? You would negotiate and try to get it for 7 or 8,000 rupees. So, this book teaches the same principle. When you want to buy a company stock, only the price should be lower than the real value. Only then you buy. And I would like to quote our famous Warren Buffett. This is the best book on investing ever written. What else you want? Well, let's move on to book number three, which talks about practical strategy. And the title is How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill. And this book gives strategy, clear rules, and clear framework. And there's a fantastic model which he uses called CANSLIM, CANSLIM. Well, the CANSLIM has meaning for each letter, and the C you can look at talks about current earnings or growth, and A for annual earnings growth, and N for new product or new supply, and S for supply and demand, and L for leader versus laggard, and I for institutional support, and M for market direction. And this is a book that taught me don't worry a stock and date it. If it stops performing, you have to exit. This book stops you from being a long term investor in garbage stocks. Well, friends, here's my challenge. Choose one book from these three and comment below which one will you start with. I will personally help you with a reading map. And if you found this helpful, hit like button. Also, subscribe to turn on notifications, and you can catch me on the important information which I'm going to give you in the coming up videos.